Hey, this is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate it. If you're not, please consider subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be making for you a creamy garlic shrimp recipe right after this. Alright, for the ingredients, I'm going to be using jumbo shrimp, butter, lemons, chopped garlic, white wine, diced onions, diced tomatoes, chopped scallions, salt and pepper, olive oil, and I'm also going to be using heavy cream. So the first thing you want to do in a preheated pan with your hot oil is put down your shrimp. Try not to overcrowd the pan. And here I'm putting in my chopped garlic. And right here I'm just seasoning my shrimp with salt and pepper. Alright, here I'm adding my diced onions. Alright, so the shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so after about a minute or so I'm already flipping them. And that's the color that you're looking for, a little bit of pink. And so now they've been cooking for a couple minutes on the other side, so now I'm deglazing my pan with some white wine, and I'm also adding in some fresh squeezed lemon juice. So right here I'm just going to bring it to a simmer. So what you see me doing now is just removing the shrimp so they don't overcook. And now I'm going to just finish my sauce. So right there I just added some heavy cream, and I'm just going to stir that into the white wine and lemon juice. And from here I'm just going to let it reduce down until it gets thick. Alright, as you can see it done thicken up. So I just added a little bit more salt, and now I'm just adding in some dry parsley flakes. Just to give it a little color, that's optional. Alright, so now it's to the consistency that I want it. You want it, a nice smooth consistency. So now I'm adding in my butter. The butter is going to pretty much turn it into a nice beurre blanc, like a buttery cream sauce. This is also going to give it additional flavor. And I'm just adding in the diced tomatoes for color. You don't have to, it's optional. Alright, here I'm adding back in my shrimp, and now I'm just going to move them around the pan so all the shrimp are nice and coated. And that's pretty much it. So here I'm just plating up my shrimp, my creamy garlic shrimp with pappardelle pasta. And this dish should be good with, mashed potatoes, rice, whatever pasta you want to use, whatever starch you want to use. Alright, so here you go. Creamy garlic shrimp, done by yours truly, Chef Carl. So once again, thanks for coming back to this channel. And anybody that's new to the channel, I hope you consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, please check me out on social media. Just use Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and that's Carl with a K. Alright, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Cooking and Grilling with Carl. So once again, I just want to thank you for coming to the channel. Definitely hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also share the video, give it a thumbs up. On that note, I say God bless. Once again, thanks for coming to the channel. Catch you on the next video. Peace.